Teqa is an ensemble of software applications offering the functionalities required to run an external quality control. The software has been designed along the ISO guidelines 17043, 13528 and 5725. As a laboratory, you are only concerned with a single web application, the Teqa Lab. This application allows you to enter your results and view the reports. You may access the application with a browser connected to Internet. Type your credentials and enter the application. The main page displays the programs you enrolled in. In our example, cytomegalovirus and herpes simplex. On the left of each program block, you may view the relative calendar. This shows you the reply deadlines and the associated samples. Before you may enter any result, you shall describe your configuration context. This means that you have to specify the instrument, method, reagent, and unit used for the measurement. Depending on the type of control and analyte, the instrument, method, and reagent may be required, optional, or not requested, as shown by the gray area. You may configure each analyte differently or, if needed, configure more analytes simultaneously. In some cases, the EQA provider will allow you to select alternative units. Press Confirm to save the configuration. The configuration you just saved will remain valid for the next rounds unless you need to make any change. Once we defined our configuration, we may enter the results of the assay. The deadline for data entry is displayed on the right of the Next Entry button. Press Next Entry. If for some reason you may not reply to any analyte of this round, click the X button on the top right. Write a motivation and press Confirm. If you may not reply to some analytes, click the X button next to the corresponding analyte and sample and write a motivation. At the bottom of a page, you may leave a comment for the EQA provider. You may only fill the entry form once. If you realize you made a mistake, you must contact the EQA provider and transmit the requested modification along with the motivation. You may view, print or save a PDF file with the results you entered for the current round by pressing Print Your Results. The available statistical reports may be viewed in the drop-down list below. Select the desired round and click on the arrow. A PDF report is generated on the fly. Some reports can be very long, therefore you may have to wait for a while for them to appear. Although the software contains a comprehensive list of instruments, methods, and reagents, you may not find what you need in the list. Press Coding Requests. Specify if your request concerns an instrument, reagent, or method, and fill the description. As soon as you send the request, the software generates a temporary code and adds your request to the list. You may immediately use this new code and complete your configuration. Later, the EQA provider will check your request and attribute a final code. This, however, will be transparent for you, and you don't need to be concerned. You may change your password at any time. Press Change Password and type the new one twice. A password must be at least 8 characters long and contained 2 non-alphanumeric characters. You may download the manual of Teqa Lab by selecting Help, Manual Online. For complete information, please download our user manual.